Hubstaff Talent Job Honest Review. Watch before using. Most freelancers get job hunting wrong. They rely on unverified platforms or low-paying gigs. Hubstaff Talent is a free platform connecting remote talent with verified companies. And the surprising truth is how much control it gives over your freelance career. You won't believe how simple it is to showcase skills and get matched with the right projects. Here's how it works. Freelancers create a profile detailing skills, experience, and availability. Companies post jobs and can filter candidates by location, hourly rate, and expertise. The platform also integrates time tracking for hourly work, making payment transparent and reliable. For example, a software developer can find remote projects in their niche and track work hours automatically to ensure accurate invoicing. Most people get this wrong. They assume all freelance platforms charge fees, but Hubstaff Talent is completely free for freelancers. The platform also emphasizes verified clients, reducing risks of scams or delayed payments. Users can manage multiple clients, schedule projects, and even integrate payroll solutions if needed. However, there are considerations. Competition is high for popular skills, so having a complete profile with verified experience increases chances of landing jobs. Most people assume instant success. It still requires effort and professionalism. In conclusion, Hubstaff Talent is a reliable tool for freelancers seeking remote work. With no fees, verified clients, and transparent tracking, it's a strong option to grow your freelance career efficiently. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of freelance platforms and remote work tools.